Okay, so when converting a fraction to a decimal, typically you just want to type the fraction into your calculator. My first example, I have 2 divided by 5, get a solution of 0.4, so I know that 2 divided by 5 is just 0.4. Go to my second example, 1 divided by 3. If I look at my result, the 3 is constantly repeating, so if you have a number that constantly repeats, you represent it the dot on top of the number, so the dot here represents that a 3 is constantly repeating. If you look at example number 3, we constantly have 6, 3 repeating. So again, I'm going to just write 0.63 and put a dot above both numbers to show that they're constantly repeating. In part 4, we see that only one of the decimal places is repeating, but the other one is not. So again, I'm going to write 1.83, but I'm only going to put a dot above the 3 to show that the 3 is the only number that's repeating. Problem number 5, I have a mixed fraction. There's a couple of different ways to do this. If I want to do this instantly on my calculator, I could type 2, hit my A, B over C button, which is going to put a fraction, then hit 5, hit the A, B over C button, and hit 6. So that's basically 2, 5 over 6. Can hit equals. Then I can hit the A, B over C button again, and it will convert that to a fraction for me. So I know that's 2.83 with a dot. If you don't have the A, B over C button on your calculator, what you can do is you can convert this mixed fraction to a common fraction and type that into your calculator as well. So if I was doing that, I'd first want to convert this mixed fraction to a common fraction. So I'm going to do 6 times 2, which is 12, plus 5, that's 17 over 6. And then my calculator, I'd type 17 divided by 6, get the same thing, 2.3 with the 3 constantly, 2.83 with the 3 constantly repeating. Same for this last one here. Type 5, 1 over 4, just basically 5.25. If I convert it to a common fraction, I'd have 4 times 5, which is 20, plus 1 is 21 over 4. Again, if I type that in my calculator, get 5.25.